Diego, can you talk us through what you're doing?
Me.
Talk about it.
Is it a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you making?
Empanadas.
How do you do it?
So I'm gonna show you a second ago. I'm just finishing this empanada.
Nix, are you gonna make one too?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
You just put some of this one.
Put some of that in there and then what? Then you give it to Daddy?
You just fold it.
You fold it in.
I'm gonna show you how you fold it. Well, I'm gonna show you how to make it first. Once you made this part,
Show me. Hold it up now. Show me the empanada you just
when it's
rolled.
finished, it should
Turn
look
it
like
around.
this.
Turn it around. That is an excellent looking empanada. Diego, that's awesome.
And then,
Looks better than mine.
I know.
where's yours?
Good job.
Where's yours?
Oh, there's some of mine there and some of
This one?
You did great. Say bye now.
Well, I'm gonna show you something.
Okay.